I'm scared. Oh, I'm feeling myself. Pow. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Look at that. Girl, my Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome all my returners and welcome my newbies. Look, I know I look crazy. I'm looking like a Miss Sealy. But I'm going through it. I kind of want some braids this go around, so about to switch it up. It's summertime, but I don't got time to keep messing with my hair. Messing. I mean messing with my hair. So oh yeah, before I start getting into this, make sure you comment, click, and subscribe to my channel. And then make sure you hit that notification button so every time I drop a video, you will be notified, because got some good stuff that I'm trying to do, okay? And I also want you guys to write down in the comments how you feel, if it's a hit and miss, some braids with Marley hair. So I went to your local beauty supply store and I got this 3-in-1 value pack and the one in the B. Honestly, I don't know how long these are. I'm gonna assume it's probably 16 inches. So I like this better because I can grip it, and two, it matches my hair texture. So I'm going to put this in my hair. So I got 2 packs of this. So I'm praying to sweet Jesus that that this get me through what I need to get through. So I'm thinking we're not going small this time. So I'm thinking some nice, decent, medium to the T. So I'm just gonna speed it up just a little bit, just enough so you can see what I'm doing, and then I will slow things down from there. But I'm gonna take these parts out, these braids out of my head, and we will go from there, and because I have somewhere to be in the AM, so we're trying to move as fast as possible. I still feel like I have aloe vera products still stuck in my hair, just not as bad this time. Thank you, Jesus. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed this part up until I can get her done. Okay, you guys, so for this portion, it's very simple. All I'm doing is getting distracted right now because I'm watching TV, unfortunately. I have to have something to entertain me. But all I'm doing right now is just parting my head in the midsection to get it, bone straight. So it's not like I'm missing, or it's like messy, or I don't want a crooked line. So I'm trying to part my hair and try to watch TV at the same time. It's working. So you don't want no wrinkly line. So you want to make sure that when you have your hair braided, that it's divided equally, so it'll be easier and cleaner. Why can't I talk? I don't know. Bless me, Jesus. I'm going to speed this up in a few seconds. Okay, so this is the finished result. Right now I really didn't like the middle portion, so eventually I went back to kind of fill that in a little bit more, just how it looked. But I actually liked how everything else came out. I went back and I filled in the ends as well, but I had to go do what I had to do, so I threw her up in a bun. And you're gonna see what she looked like a couple of weeks later. So I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you comment, you click and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so every time I drop a video you'll be notified. So you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Peace. I'm loving this. You don't understand. Oh, I'm feeling myself. Pow. Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at that. Look at this. Look. Bam. Mm. Photo shoot. Ow. Bam. Bow. 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 Twirl. Twirl. All right. I'm done.